Welcome to our world of real estate investment solutions. At our core, we specialize in helping savvy investors uncover incredible opportunities in under-market foreclosure real estate. Picture this, a daily influx of new foreclosed properties delivered straight to your inbox. But that's just the beginning. We've cultivated a network of investor-friendly lenders who make dreams come true by financing both the purchase and renovation of properties requiring minimal upfront capital from you. Worried about legalities? Fear not. Our dedicated real estate attorney is here to assist you in forming a company and meticulously reviewing contracts to ensure crystal clear title ownership. Now, let's talk renovation. With access to 4 highly reputable renovation teams boasting an impressive 25-year history with Chase investors, your property is in expert hands. They know the ins and outs of turning properties into profitable assets for sale or rent. But we don't stop there. Managing your project just got easier with our quality control inspectors, available for hire to streamline the renovation process. Once your property is ready to shine, we seamlessly transition to the next phase. If selling is your goal, your partnership with Chase ensures you to do so at a substantial discount in commissions. Considering the rental route? We've got you covered. Our tenant finding service simplifies the process, and if you prefer a hands-off approach, we can manage the property for you. In essence, we are your one-stop shop for real estate investing. Plug into our system and let the journey to financial success begin. Welcome to a hassle-free world of real estate investment opportunities.